gonna listen to this. I'm gonna loop it, listen to it a few times while I paint, if you don't mind. I'm gonna learn the words. Carte. Yo. Hi, this is Rick Calsavia. I am attempting to paint and get in a groove. Sometimes these grooves, Saturday when I was painting out here, I kicked into a groove like a half hour before before it was not enough light to, well, I need enough light to see what I need to put away. Sometimes people will ask me, hey, how did you get such a thin line? What it is I painted one line, and then I just trim it with another color. No sé cómo abrazar. El dolor que tengo yo. Tranquila, dando la humilde canción, besos que me diste, amor, dando. Hola, corazón, mira, pistola y el corazón, la pistola y el corazón. I am gonna do some real sane videos, but I'm gonna do them anonymous. That would be kind of weird. Let people just shit all over them, and then I won't have to feel bad about it. Not that I would feel bad about it. Siete que Dios y yo, que siento yo, cosa ellas me dicen otra. Tan triste canción, los que me diste, amor, son los que me están dando la razón. La pistola y el corazón. I was thinking, there's a couple of twin sisters that do a lot of stuff on video, and I think they're wealthy from their endeavors. They're kind of like twin female Mr. Beast. Not quite as big as Mr. Beast, but they are good. I think when they present anything, they do good with it. I would like to get one of those girls to sell art, sell my art, sell other people's art. They have a lot of reach, so a lot of people are watching them. They could put a painting on their wall, each video, and blurb about it. And if it sells, it sells. If it doesn't sell, it doesn't sell. What does that cost you? Wala na pistola. I get some glare. That's the one problem. I probably need to put like one of those NFL hoodies. If I had 30 years to finish this painting, people would walk through it, or jump into it. Toyo. Cosa. Da. La triste canción, los besos que me diste, mi amor, son los que me van matando, cuando hola y mi razón, la vida. La pistola, corazón. This puts me in a very Diego Rivera mood. I think I had some great paintings. I should do some Diego Rivera. Well, I have actually. People have asked me to do some knockoffs, and I have. I don't sign them like him. They get pissed when I won't sign his name, and they go, I can't do that shit. I think that's called fraud. I think it's called fraud. It could be called fraud. El dolor que tengo yo, tango, bras tranquila, tango. La canción está humilde, besos que me diste, amor, que me están matando, ay, me están secando, toda corazón, son la vida, la pistola. Corazón. I need some tequila. Y el corazón. sé cómo explicarte. Medio siento yo, que siento yo. Me dicen otra. Cantando, más se están secando. Hola, corazón, y el resto la vida, la pistola, corazón. El dolor que tengo yo. Pura sombras tan tranquilas. Ando mil de canción, mil de canción. Esos que me diste, amor, están matando, están secando la pistola y mi corazón. Sola vida, pistola, corazón. Pistola. Just one more. Man, this guitar at the beginning is badass. Medio que siento yo, que siento yo. Una cosa, ellas dicen otra. Canta esta triste canción. Que me diste, Señor, son los que me están matando, las lágrimas se están secando. Hola, corazón, y toda sola vida, la pistola, corazón. Man, I just spotted something I needed to, and then I forgot what it is. It's the damn Alzheimer must be kicking in. Could be, could be. Okay, these paints are done. Well, not really. Ah, there it is. I found it. I found it. Le canción, mille canción. Los besos que diste, mi amor, son los que me están matando. Lágrimas se están secando. Corazón. Con la pistola, el corazón. Alright, enough of that. Trying to get to 100 sit-ups. Oh, recorded too long. Sorry, folks. Too much recording. Cosa? 1804. Excellent. I could split this recording.